Hanan, when are we going to start working on the holiday special?
Holiday special?
Holiday special?
Holiday special?
Holiday special?
Holiday special?
We have to do a holiday special?
I've been talking about it for the past month. It's due in 2 days.
Okay.
Theodore, we have a month to get our holiday special in. Should we start working on it?
Nah, we'll do it later.
Lily, did you know the holiday special is due in 2 weeks? Should we get started working on it?
No, we'll just do it later.
There's 3 days until the holiday special. See, now we have to get it done.
I should be yelling at everyone, right?
Right.
Okay, everyone, we need to get this video done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Theodore, how's it going?
Take a look.
Perfect. Hey, Lily, can I see what you've been working on?
Sure.
Lily, that's absolutely terrible.
Wait a minute, but...
Okay, Josh, go check on Andrew and make sure he's doing work. I need to help Lily. You see, Lily, we need stick figures.
Hey, Andrew, how's it going?
It's going good. You want to see?
It looks good. Keep it up so Anon doesn't start yelling at us.
Okay.
Okay, Nicholas, you need to be funny. Hurry up, say a joke.
How do you fix a jack-o'-lantern?
No, like a holiday joke, a Christmas joke.
What's the best Christmas gift?
I don't know.
A broken drum.
Why?
Because you can't beat it.
Theodore, is the script done?
Yeah, just finished it. We're reenacting a Christmas Carol. You're gonna be Scrooge.
Won't even have to act. Okay, everyone! Production starts now. Get into your places.
What's the best Christmas gift? A broken drum. Because you can't beat it.
Happy Holidays!